Activity time, children. We wrote app words today. So we are going to do the practice with our alphabet kit. Now, the alphabets that you will require are A and P, then K, C, K, G, G, M, N, T, and two of one is for seeker that we already have. One is L. Alright, let's get started. First, app. So, A and P, app. Now, let's get started with our first word. Cap. So, app we need the first sound is now K. So, let's join K. So, K, apple, cap. Okay? Cap. Done. Number 2. Gap. The first sound is changing, children. Middle sound and the last sound is same. So, we are going to remove C, K and bring in G, G. Okay? So, G, A, P, gap. Again, one more time. G, A, P, gap. Now, next word. Map. So, we remove G and bring in M. M, A, P. Map. M, apple, M, apple, map. Next word. Nap. N. Nap. So we will remove M and bring in N. N, A, P. Nap. Now, next word. Tap. T. Tap. So, remove N and bring in T. Tap. T, apple, tap. Well done. Now, next word. We need K and L to make cl. So, take out your T, bring in K and L. Okay? So, here, curl, again, curl, cl, apple, clap. Alright, children, do practice and send me your photographs.